Today is 7/27. Yes, everybody, now please mute yourself. Now, please. Very good. Now, start with the date of today. Today is 2/7/27 of January 2021, and the day is what comes after Tuesday? Who will tell me? Durvi, please tell me what comes after Tuesday?
Wednesday.
Very good. So look at the picture, all of you. Today is 2/7/27 of January 2021, and the day is Wednesday. When we do homework in our notebooks, we have to write the date on the left side, right? We need to write 27 of January 2021. Okay. Now everybody, please stand up. Join your hands and close your eyes for the prayer. Everybody, please stand up. Very good. Rudransh, you need to stand up. Charvi, everybody needs to stand up. You need to join your hands and close your eyes for the Gayatri Mantra. Let's start with me. Om Bhur Bhuvaswaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvaswaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvaswaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Shanti 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 Om. Now you can open your eyes. We will do thank you God prayer. Thank you God for the world so sweet. Thank you God for the food we eat. Thank you God that the birds are flying. Thank you, God, for everything. Thank you, God. We should say thank you to God every day. Every day when we wake up in the morning, we should say thank you, God, for the new day. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the creatures, for the birds we see surround us, right? For every morning, we need to say thank you, God, right? Now, everybody, please stand up on the floor for the exercise. Everyone needs to stand up straight first. Everyone needs to stand up straight for 10 seconds. We always play a game, right? Whosoever will stand straight for 10 seconds will win, right? Very good. Riddhi Siddhi, please stand up. Yes, Ayansh. Everybody, please stand up for the exercise. You need to stand straight for 10 seconds first. Very good, Pahal, Durvi, Charvi, everybody. Very good. Very good, Adira, Riddhi Siddhi. Good, Ayansh, Arohi, Divik, everybody. Very good. Now, shall we start? Give me thumbs up. Shall we start with the exercise? Yes, very good. Now, first of all, we need to do some jumping. Everybody loves jumping, right? Do jumping with me. Do the jumping. Yes, very good. Now, take your hands above your head straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1. You need to straight your arms. आपकी arms जो है वो straight होनी चाहिए. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now make a fist with your palms. Make a fist. Yes, make a fist with your palms. Straight. Very good. Now move them. Very good. Now flame above your head. You need to move your fist above your head. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now open your legs, everybody. Open your legs. You need to touch your right feet with your left hand and touch your left feet with your right hand. Crisscross, right? Crisscross. We need to do it till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Now again stand straight. Stand straight. Take the support of the wall. We will do the Surya Namaskar. Take the support of the wall. Put your one leg on another. Try to balance yourself. Try to balance first. No need to hurry. Try to balance. Then do a namaste above your head. Do not hurry first. Maintain the balance. Put your one leg on the another. Put your feet on your thighs. Then balance. And then do a namaste above your head. Very good, everyone. Very good. I can see everybody at least trying. It will take some time to balance yourself, right? Now again, straight your hands above your head. Straight your hands above your head. Then down and touch your toes. Once again, take your hands above your head. Then down and touch your toes. Very good. The last one is take your hands parallel to your waist. Now you need to touch your knees, move your knees and try to touch your hands. Very good. Very good, everyone. Yes. Now relax, everybody. Now relax, everybody, and take your place. Relax and sit down at your place, everyone. Yes. Now clapping for everybody. Everybody done a great job. Very good. Now breathe in, breathe out for 2 times, right? Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Very good. Very good, all of you. Now moving on to the curriculum part. Over to you, Sangeeta ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon to all my babies. Quickly take out your Hindi notebook. Today we are doing some little Hindi. Yes, we have already in writing. Okay, first, Shruti, please share the screen.
Yes, ma'am, sharing.
Yes. Today we are doing swar U. U. उल्लू, उल्लू.
Just 1 second, I am disturbing you, Sangeeta ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please see, Pehel is not able to join the class.
Wait a minute, ma'am. I'll check. Ma'am, I don't have received any notification.
Okay, ma'am, you can continue.
Okay. Yes. So take out your Hindi notebook. Today we are doing Hindi writing, Hindi swar. Right? Hindi swar. U. U. Ullu. U. Ustara. U. Ustara. U. Ubalna. U. Ubalna. U. Udna. U. Utarna. U. उल्टा. छोटे ऊ में स्मॉल ऊ में हम क्या करते हैं, स्मॉल साउंड निकालते हैं, लाइक उ, उल्लू, उ, उस्तरा. एंड नेक्स्ट.
Sorry, ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Shruti ma'am, are you getting Sangeeta ma'am's voice?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Sangeeta ma'am, you can be a little louder.
Okay, now my voice is coming.
Yes, ma'am, it's coming.
Yeah. Okay, next ऊ, बड़ा ऊ, राइट. इसमें क्या करते हैं हम, बिग साउंड निकालते हैं. ऊ, ऊपर, ऊ, ऊपर, राइट. ऊ, ऊन, ऊ, उदबिलाव. उदबिलाव इज एनिमल, राइट. तो स्मॉल ऊ में क्या करते हैं हम लोग, स्मॉल ऊ में स्मॉल साउंड, छोटा साउंड, ऊ. एंड बिग ऊ में ऊ, बिग साउंड, राइट. Yes. So take out your Hindi notebook. Today we are doing writing of swar u or oo.
Yes, all my babies, very little Hindi we have to study. Very little Hindi portion we will study. Okay? जैसे u. U is a sound. U. Ooh. U is again a sound. Big sound is big U. बड़ा U बोलते हैं. U. जैसे ऊंचा, ऊंट, ऊन. ऊन क्या होती है, वूल, जो हमारे वूलन्स होते हैं, राइट. एंड उपहार. उपहार मीन्स गिफ्ट. उस्तरा, उबलना. ठीक है. तो इट्स वेरी इजी टू राइट हिंदी ऑल्सो. वेरी लिटिल हिंदी वी हैव टू डू एंड वी विल राइट उ एंड ऊ. इट्स वेरी मच सिमिलर टू योर 3. जैसे हम 3 लिखते हैं वैसे हम ऊ लिखेंगे. ओके. यस.
Yes. U is very easy. U, ullu. U, ullu. Small sound, right? U is similar to number 3. Very easy to write. Yes. U. U. Again. U. You have to write 2 times U. Small U. Right? Next. Oon. Oon. Big sound. Oon. Similar to one tail. It will become बड़ा ऊ, राइट, बड़ा ऊ. Again, उ, उल्लू, उ, उतरना, उ, ऊपर, ऊ, ऊन. Write it. U similar to number 3. When we make one tail, it will become bada oo. Oo.
Yes, everybody will make a sound. Oh, ooh. जब हम बड़ा ऊ बोलेंगे, that means one tail will come, one ponytail will come of oo, okay, and it will become a big ooh, ooh, and it is very much similar to your 3. You will again study all these things next year, okay, but a very little Hindi we need to start. Ooh, ooh. 2 times chota u and 2 times bada u you have to write.
Yes. U. Ullu. Utarna. Yes. Upar.
Yes, very good, Agamji. Your work is good. It's very much similar to your 3. U is similar to your 3.
Yes, you have to write like this. 2 times u and 2 times oo. Chota u, bada u. U, ullu.
Arush, please don't write on the screen.
Babies, write in your notebook. Yes. U, oo.
Yes, anyone who has completed the first 2 lines, they can show.
देखी ये भी टीचर है.
Very good, Agamjeet.
Yes, we have to
Please
write
name
oo,
Parush.
oo, oo 2 times.
मेरा मैंने
Yes, very good, Pehal.
मैंने
It's very much similar to your tree. Vedant and Vedika, beta, are you writing?
No, ma'am. I'll make them, write in the evening.
No problem, ma'am, no problem. Yes, good job, Adira. Try to write within lines. Okay, formation is, it should be a little smaller, okay? Very good, Avleen Kaur.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ooh, ooh. The number of times you are writing ooh, you need to produce the sound of ooh. And just the number of times you are writing capital ooh, the big ooh, तो उतनी बार आपने मुंह से sound बोलनी है ooh की. The only difference is a tail. Big ooh में we have a tail. ऊंचा. Okay, ऊंट. ऊन. And उबलना. ममा मिल्क बॉईल करती हैं उसको बोलते हैं उबलना. उंगली. उपहार. उपहार means a gift. Yes, very good, Savi. Take your time. It's Hindi, I know. हिंदी कर रहे हैं but very little हिंदी we have to start now. बहुत ज्यादा नहीं करेंगे, बहुत छोटा छोटा करेंगे हिंदी में. Complete your page. Yes, Avyan, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Completed.
Very good. Who else? Riddhi and Siddhi? Very good, Riddhi Siddhi. Very good, Charvi. Rudransh, are you writing?
Let's stop. We go. Look out.
Very good work, Arohi. I can see all my babies are writing. It's very much similar to your tree. हम बोलते हैं ना कितना ऊंचा है ये, कितना बिग ऊंट है ये, तो साउंड ऑफ ऊपर, उबलना, उंगली, ये सब ऊ से होते हैं. Very good. We have 2 more minutes. Good, Divek. Very good. अब धीरे धीरे we will decrease the size. Okay, छोटा लिखेंगे अब बाद में हम. Very good, Avleen. Okay. Shall we start with the other thing? Shall we start? Now, ma'am is going to ask you oral counting first. Okay, I'll start with you, Adira. You need to tell me oral counting from 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good, girl. Very good. Now, next is Pehel 11 to 20.
बोलो
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Till 20. Savi 21 to 30.
21 to 30.
Adira, please mute.
21, 22, 25,
23,
23,
24,
24,
आगे
Yes.
25,
25, 16,
26,
26,
27.
27, 28, 29,
फिर
Very
30,
good.
30.
Very good. Very good, girl. Now, next is Avleen Kaur. Avleen 21 to 30.
21 to 30 now your turn. Avleen 21 to 30 बोलो 21 21 आपकी टर्न है 21 22
23,
बोलो
24,
loudly
27, 28, 39, 30.
30. Very good. It's a very beautiful song. बहुत अच्छा बोला. Next is Abhyan Bose 21 to 30.
Devi 21,
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29,
8,
28,
9,
29,
30.
30.
Very good. Next is Charvi Gupta 21 to 30.
1, 21, 21, 2,
22
22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Very good. Now 21 to 30 जो भी आपने बोला है that you have to write. 21, 22, 23. Take out your maths notebooks and start writing, counting from 21 to 30.
चलो 1 to 30 लिखना चाहिए
All my babies,
Yes,
take out your notebook.
चलो
Yes, take out your maths notebook. Today we are writing 21 to 30 counting in your maths notebook. So take out your maths notebook and write with me from 21. Right? 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, what comes after 23? 2, 4, 24, 21, 22, 23, 24. And what comes after 24? 2, 5, 25, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. After 25, 2, 6, 26. 2, 6, 26. Next, 2, 7, 27. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. And what comes after 27? 2, 8, 28. 2, 8, 28. Now next, what comes after 28? 2, 9, 29. 2, 9, 29. And last, 3, 0, 30. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And you have to write top to bottom vertically.
Yes, all my babies. Now tomorrow ma'am will ask you oral counting 1 to 30. ठीक है? Everyone, you need to learn oral counting. Oral पूछेंगी ma'am. 21 से 30 भी पूछ सकती हैं. I can ask 11 to 20 also. 1 to 30 also. Okay? So you need to learn counting. And whatever you are writing, you need to speak. 21. That means 2, 1. You have to listen to the sound. Sound देखनी है आपने. Sound को सुनो और वही लिखो जो मैम बोल रही हैं. Parent of Durvi, ma'am, I have sent you one message on personal chat.
Okay, ma'am, I will check it.
Yeah. Those who have completed 21 to 30, they can show it to ma'am. Rudransh, you start with 1 and 7. Okay, Rudransh? And send me a picture of your work.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good boy. Yes, very good, Avleen Kaur.
I have done.
I have done.
Very good, Avyan. Good boy. You have completed the work.
So write one more time.
3 times on a page you have to write. 1 time in the class, 2 times at home, okay? Yes, anyone who has completed? Charvi Gupta, have you completed your work? Savi, you can keep your notebook a bit close to the screen, beta. I'm not able to see. Yes, very good work. Very good, Pahel. Very good, Arohi. Ayan, show me how much you have completed. दिखाओ कितना लिखा आपने. Good work, very good. Good work, Charvi. One more minute to complete the work. 21 to 30. Yes, so today what we have done? We have done oo and oo in Hindi. Oo and oo. Then in maths, we have done 21 to 30. We need to speak the number and then we have to write. Right? 21, that means 2, 1. जो sound आ रही है, that sound we need to write. And tomorrow I will take oral test of 1 to 30. So all of you get prepared for this. 21 to 30, I will take your oral test. Okay? Now it's stand up everyone. It's time to say goodbye to your ma'am and to all your friends. And start dancing and say goodbye to them.